AWS Cost Explorer is a powerful tool that helps you analyze and understand your cloud spending. It provides visualization and forecasting capabilities to manage your AWS costs effectively. Cost Explorer allows you to visualize and analyze your AWS spending patterns over time. You can track costs across different services and accounts to see exactly where your money is going. It helps identify which services or resources are driving your costs, making it easier to find optimization opportunities. Additionally, it includes built-in forecasting features that help you plan your budgets for future periods. Cost Explorer offers several key features. First, you can perform time-based analysis, viewing your costs on a daily, monthly, or custom date range basis. Second, it provides powerful filtering and grouping options, allowing you to break down costs by service, region, or custom tags. Third, you can create and save custom reports that you review regularly, making it easy to track specific cost metrics that matter to your organization. Cost Explorer supports multiple visualization types to suit different analysis needs. Bar charts let you compare costs across services or time periods side by side. Line graphs are ideal for tracking spending trends over time. Pie charts help you visualize how costs are distributed across different categories. Stacked area charts show cumulative costs over time, making it easy to see how different services contribute to your total spending. Cost Explorer provides extensive filtering options to drill down into your cost data. You can group your costs by service, region, linked account, instance type, usage type, or custom tags. Additionally, you can filter your data by time range, charge type, purchase option, or specific API operations. These filtering capabilities allow you to analyze costs at any level of granularity you need. One of the most valuable features of Cost Explorer is its ability to predict future spending based on your historical usage patterns. The forecasting engine uses machine learning to analyze your past costs and project what you're likely to spend in the future. It can forecast up to 12 months ahead, giving you plenty of time to plan and adjust your budgets accordingly. The forecasting capability uses machine learning models trained on your historical data to predict future trends. It doesn't just give you a single number, but shows confidence intervals with upper and lower bounds, helping you understand the range of possible outcomes. This forecast data is invaluable for budget planning, allowing you to set realistic budgets based on projected spending rather than just historical costs. To get the most out of Cost Explorer, follow these best practices. First, use cost allocation tags to enable granular tracking of resources across teams and projects. Second, review your reports regularly to identify spending trends and anomalies early. Third, set up budget alerts that leverage forecast data to warn you before you exceed your limits. Finally, export your cost data for deeper analysis using external tools or spreadsheets. For comprehensive cost management, combine Cost Explorer with AWS Budgets to create a complete cost control strategy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.